हेलो माइक टेस्टिंग 1 2 3 हेलो आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?
In this video, we will talk about 4G internet ban in Kashmir. While most of you may be watching Netflix and chilling at home, and some may also be doing, but that's not the case in Kashmir. High-speed internet was banned in Kashmir post-August 5, 2019, and it continues till date. This is despite the fact that Supreme Court of India declared this ban as unconstitutional. Now, at a time when the world is fighting coronavirus pandemic, Kashmir at that point is lingering with slow-speed internet. This is an online app used by students for taking online classes. Let's see how it works.
Good morning. Next hour? Yes.
Sorry, I can't hear your voices clearly.
Now this picture perfectly sums up the online education scenario in Kashmir. Every other app has its own struggling story to tell. Take for example this popular gaming app which flashes request timeout again and again. A pain that only a PUBG user can understand. Now let's talk about online streaming. Many of you could be consuming online data, be it from Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime or any other online streaming website. Now let's see how these websites work in Kashmir. Well, they don't. Let's see why. I'm gonna play a YouTube video for you. Now, we will not play this video in HD for obvious reasons. We'll play this video on 480 pixels. After playing this video for few seconds, it started to buffer. I want you to watch this video and imagine a day in your life with such petty internet speed.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
We're living in a time when internet is the necessity for everybody. The virus is not taking a physical toll on people, it's also hurting them mentally. And internet is a place where people can vent out their feelings. The point being, you can act on humanitarian basis and help ease the misery of people. It's not always about law and order. Some may argue that
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट, अब गवर्नमेंट में कुछ नहीं है.
while all this is going on, I may also tell you that the telecom companies in Kashmir are charging people for high-speed internet and are providing them with low-speed internet.
तो सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे.
Customers have no other option but to pay for a service that they cannot use.
ये होता है चुत्स्पा.
Finally, our video started to play again. Hopefully, no buffering this time. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.
That they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!